Very good morning, students. Last class we have revised whatever we have studied in previously. Now we have to start new topic. So continuous now we have to continue for multiplication of rational number to any other integer. So how will multiply any rational number to integer? Okay. Same we have to follow whatever you follow in the fraction chapter, but you have to careful in this sign here. Just to see here, this one is an integer 5 and this one is rational number that is given in mixed fraction. Okay, and bracket, small bracket means in between there is multiplication. So just you remove this small bracket. So 5 into 1 upon 5. Now remove this mixed fraction. So how will come? 5 into 5 1 is 5 plus 1 6 upon 5. After then we can cancel out because nothing written means 1 here, and this one we can cancel out numerator to denominator. So 5 1 is 5, and then we have to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So it will come 6. Okay. Now similarly you have to follow here also. Yes, just you see both are negative. Here integer is also negative and rational number is also negative, and in between a small bracket is there. So first of all remove this small bracket. Minus 7 into minus 5 upon 14. After then we can cancel 7 and 14. 7 2 is 14. Just you see here this one is minus 1. So minus and minus 5 it will get plus. So 5 upon 2 will come. After then if you want to convert into mixed fraction also, because numerator is greater. So if you will convert, it will come 2 1 upon 2 answer. Okay. Next this one is also one. First one integer is positive and rational number is given negative. So again you have to remove this. First of all small bracket. Then it will come 3 into minus 1 whole 1 upon 4. After then just remove this mixed fraction. So it will come 3 into 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5 minus 5 upon 4. Okay. Just you see here there will be no any cancellation. Then in this case you just multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Then it will come 5 3 is 15 minus 15 upon 4. And then you can convert into mixed fraction. Then it will come minus 3 whole and 3 upon 4 answer. Okay, like that you have to follow in the whatever given integer to rational number multiplication. In that case just you multiply. If it, first of all see cancellation is there, then you cancel, then you multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Next one, same again here, integer is negative and rational number is positive. So minus 8 will come first, and then remove this both bracket, put here multiply, then remove mixed fraction also. So 16 to the 32, 32 plus 7, then it will come 39. 39 upon 16. Okay. Now put here 1, nothing is written means 1, then we can cancel out 8 to the 16. Okay. So final answer is minus 39 upon 2. Okay. After then you can convert into mixed fraction. Then it will come minus 19 1 upon 2. 19 whole 1 upon 2. So this is the final answer. Next one. So these are the rational number, multiplication of rational number between integer. So in exercise also given this type of question in first problem. Question number first, same types of question are given. You can see in self practice 3, first question, same this type of question are given, means rational number to integer, and whatever first of all rational number maybe after then integer. Follow same process you have to follow. Next topic is multiplication. Again we have to multiply, but this one is rational number to rational number, means multiplication with rational number to rational number. So how we will do here? Again just you remove this small bracket both. Minus 4 upon 5 into minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Just you see here if any cancellation, then we can cancel, otherwise not. So there will be no any cancellation, just you multiply, minus minus will get plus, and 4 2 ja 8. So it will come 8 upon 5 3 ja 15. It will come, final answer is 15. Minus minus is plus. So final answer is 8 upon 15. Okay. Next one, minus 8 upon 13, bracket 13 upon 5. So first you remove this small bracket, minus 8 upon 13 into 13 upon 5. After that we have to cancel out. So 13 1 ja 13, and then multiply, minus 8 upon 5. Answer. Okay. Next one. This one is mixed fraction and this one also mixed fraction. So first of all remove this both mixed fraction, and one is positive and second one is negative. So both, just you careful with the sign. 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 1 36 upon 7 into 6 1 is 6 plus 1 7 minus 7 upon 6. Then we have to cancel out, just to see here both are 7, so we can cancel by 1 ja, where minus 1 will come. Next 6 6 ja 36, then it will come 6 ja. So 6 into minus 1, 6 into minus 1, answer will come minus 6. So final answer is minus 6. Okay. Next, this type of process you will follow if 2 rational number, 3 rational number are also given. In that case also, just I will take a more example. 3 rational number, 2 rational number I already have taken. Now I will take next example is, that is 3 rational number, means fourth part, means like that 1 upon 2 small bracket minus 3 1 upon 4 and 2 1 upon 8, like that. Next fifth one, minus 4 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 21 into minus 1 4 upon 3 2 upon 3. So again, first of all remove all the small bracket and put here multiplication. Okay, and as well as you have to remove the mixed fraction also. So first of all you have to remove this mixed fraction. Then how will come? Minus 3 upon 2. Again 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 13, minus 13 upon 4 into 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 1 17 upon 8. There will be no any cancellation in this. Then it will multiply this all three, numerator to numerator and this denominator to denominator. So 13 3 is 39 will come, and minus minus will get plus, means 39 upon 4 2 is 8 into 17 upon 8. Now we have to multiply 39 into 17. How much will come? 39 into 17. So 9 7 is 63. Carry 6. 21 plus 6 27. Next 9, and this one is 3. Then it will come 3. 9 plus 7 16. Carry 1, and this one is 6. So it will come 663 upon 8 8 is 64. Okay. So this one is the answer. And if you want to convert into mixed fraction also, so just you divide by 64 to 663. 1 ja, we can divide by 1 ja 64, and then 2, it will come 3. Means you have to write on 3, for that you have to put here 1 0. Okay, then you can write on 3. So it will come 10 whole 23 upon 64. This one is the final answer. Next part, or this one, fifth one. Again same you have to follow whatever we have did in the fourth part. So just remove first of all mixed fraction as well as small bracket. So 4 5 are 20 plus 1 minus 21 upon 5 into this one is 21 plus 1 22 upon 21. Next multiply 3, this one is minus 5 upon 2. Now we can cancel out 21 is 21 and 5 1 is 5. Now again we can cancel out here by 11. So 11 2 ja 22. Now this one is minus 1 into 11 into minus 1. So minus minus will get plus, and this one 1 into 11. Final answer is 11. So this one is integer as it. So same types of question are given. Whatever I have taken in the example in this question. So just you see in the question number 2, same we have to follow. Rational number to rational number, multiplication of rational number to rational number. In question number 3, there is no any bracket given, but here multiply is given. So you have to follow same process, same as like 4th and 5th. In 4th question also same mixed fraction are given. So you will follow in the 4th question also. And 5th part, I will take this type of example in 5th part. So just you see in this 5th part how we will solve. One integer is given and two rational number are given. There will be no any different method. You have to follow same types of method. Question number 5th, first one. Question number 5th, first. Again we have to multiply here. So 15 into minus 1 upon 2 small bracket into 1 7 upon 20. Okay. Now we have to remove this small bracket, and this one is integer. So minus 15 upon 1, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, minus 3 upon 2 into this one is 21, 20 plus 7, 27 upon 20. Now just we have to cancel out 5 ja, this one both. So 3 5 ja and this one 4 5 ja. There will be no any cancellation, rest other. So minus minus plus 3 3 ja 9. 9 into 27 upon 4 2 ja 8. Again you multiply, you will get 7 63, 9 7 ja 63, and carry 63, 3 carries 6, and 18 plus 6 243. So 243 upon 8. This one is the final answer. Now if you want to convert into mixed fraction also, so just you divide by 8 to 243. How much will come? So 3 ja we can divide by 3 ja 24. Both are cancelled. You want to write on this 3. You have to write on 0 here also. So it will come 30 whole 3 upon 8 answer. Okay. So in 5th question you have to follow this type of process. Second part you will do, try yourself. There will be no any same process. There will be no any new process. Same process you have to follow. Okay. That's all.